severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Blocks in.
This is the time where it's going to prove itself. For me, it's do or die.
Are we good?
He's closed up nicely for you.
A little over.
Go ahead. Okay.
Are we going to have a fail on this job? Or is it going to work out for us?
Go first.
Okay, just a little bit. Tiny, tiny bit. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Go.
The blocks hold their ground.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Turn that way. Turn that way. Turn that way. Hold it. Brakes on.
Okay, we're good. Unhook. See if they can come ahead. Tell them to come ahead.
Jamie's reborn record
We got her beat.
proves its worth.
Nice.
I'm completely surprised that we were actually able to pull this off. It's a rough and tough truck, and it gets the job done.
We gotta get off the road here.
Money Moo is pretty mighty, man.
I can't ask for any kind of better ending to this whole thing. A lot of time and effort went into this unit. And it's out there doing the job that
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Loyal Saukville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, tree damage will occur. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. This dangerous storm will be near Barbers around 4:40 p.m. Kettle Creek Gorge around 4:50 p.m. Muncie Valley around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include LaPorte, Eagles Mere, Hillsgrove, Picture Rocks, Dushore, Forksville, Little League World Series Complex, Williamsport Airport, South Williamsport, and Garden View. This includes Interstate 180 for mile markers 19 to 28. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Lycoming and Sullivan.
But you're also pulling out a couple tons of snow.
Watch out, watch out.
As the snow piles up,
Great.
Collins' 50-ton record
Oh, you're leaning pretty good, buddy.
begins to tilt.
Holy.
It's getting sketchy.
Easy, easy, easy.
Whoop.
Different
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
One up him with the steak, but add a steak. Figuring steak and steak trumps ribs and steak. But does it?
15 combinations: steak, ribs, shrimp, and more. 2 meats, 2 sides, $14.99.
Well, it finally happened, Zachary. Somebody burned down my she shed.
The she shed was struck by lightning.
Is my she shed covered by State Farm?
Your she shed's covered, Cheryl.
That's wonderful news.
Go with the one that's here to help life go right. State Farm.
How pure can pure be? Our 12-step process provides 100% pure quality water. Look for kids packs from Nestle Pure Life. Fun designs and a perfect size just for your kids.
To look at me now, you don't see psoriasis. You see clear skin.
You see me.
But if you saw me before Cosentix,
I was covered. It was awful.
but I didn't give up. I kept fighting.
I got clear skin with Cosentix.
3 years and counting. Clear skin can last.
See if Cosentix could make a difference for you. Cosentix is proven to help people with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis find clear skin that can last. Don't use if you're allergic to Cosentix. Before starting Cosentix, you should be checked for tuberculosis. An increased risk of infections and lowered ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms, or if you've received a vaccine or plan to. If you have inflammatory bowel disease, tell your doctor if symptoms develop or worsen. Serious allergic reactions may occur.
See me now. I'm still clear.
How sexy are these elbows?
Get clear skin that can last. Ask your dermatologist about Cosentix.
With Land's End swim separates, you can mix and match to pick the fit, coverage, and style that's perfect for you. Land's End, we suit every body.
With trusted protection for all-out confidence, Depend Silhouette Briefs feature maximum absorbency, beautiful colors, and an improved fit for a sleek design and personal style. Life's better when you're in it. Be there with Depend.
Sometimes, bipolar 1 disorder can make you feel like you have no limits.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Food, activity, or energy levels can leave you on shaky ground. Help take control by asking your healthcare provider about Vraylar. Vraylar treats acute mania of bipolar 1 disorder. Vraylar significantly reduces overall manic symptoms and was proven